This is some butterfly green granite that I'm working on. This is actually the main piece for the kitchen. It has what's called an apron sink, and the granite will actually fit in around the sink. The sink will slide in right here. Got this all cut out. I'm just going to finish polishing it. Do the edge and everything. My inside corners I've got cut out. I've got a little bit of a lip here and here. I've got to finish smoothing that up. Polish the whole edge. This piece here, another piece for this job, I've got this one done. The front edge is going to be against the wall right here, backsplash, and this is got a large overhang on this side, so I put a nice big round on that, polished it. It's actually going to come up against the chimney right here, and the underneath of it from about here all the way back I've actually polished underneath of it too, because it's overhanging like a desk. This is another piece for this job. This actually goes on the floor. It's a hearth for a small pellet stove, I believe. As you can see, I've got another large radius I put on this. This actually took quite a while to do that one, because this is butterfly green granite, like I said, and it tends to want to ripple and chip because there's a lot of hard and soft material in the stone. But all in all, I'm very fussy. So when I'm done, as you can see, it's pretty straight and ripple free. Quality stone. This is butterfly green, as I said. I have one more piece, sort of a little raised bar. Got the edge on it. Two large radiuses. This is what's called a double pencil edge. It's just a small radius, top and bottom. I have to do the bottom on this one still. The biggest thing about us that sets us aside from a lot of other companies that do custom stone is we don't use a CNC machine. This is all done by hand, with hand tools and air grinder. It's hands-on craftsmanship for the people that appreciate that kind of thing. I do all of my cutting with this blade. Fits right on my grinder. I have a variety of different pads that I use to do the edge, get in the corners. This one bends and flexes so I can go around those inside corners. Some diamond wheels that I use to basically stock removal, to get rid of the heavy stuff for the bigger corners. So like I said, this is butterfly green. About half done, I'd say. I still have to do this one. This is going to take a little while. When I finish the edge on the top and bottom, I'm actually going to insert a piece of 3/8 stainless steel square stock right in the back of that. Probably a 48-inch piece. Because as you can see, with that big heavy piece there and this monstrosity over here, this is a very fragile spot. And this is butterfly, and it's a very soft granite. So that piece of 48-inch steel I'll embed across the back of it. If it is to crack, it won't fall apart, and it can be repaired. Thank you for watching, and I will try and get a video when I'm all done and it's installed.